So third question natin. Ang ating third question ay, ano-ano ang makikita sa loob ng School of Prophets kapag nag-join sila?
Oh, what a wonderful question. So right now, the School of Prophets established in July 2025. But right now, we have a lot of category of trainings in the classroom. So meron tayong e-commerce or dropshipping, no? Aside from virtual assistant and digital marketing, meron din tayong e-commerce. Meron din tayong first 500K or your first 500K in a month. Meron tayong SEO training. Meron tayong VA training. Meron tayong self-care and motivational training there. Fitness journey, AI, digital marketing, and also maglalagay pa kami doon. So every week kasi guys, I'm doing this live webinar which I'm sharing my knowledge for the past 15 years of my career in digital marketing. So that's what I'm going to share to everyone na andito sa community. So expect pa yan, no? Kasi weekly kami nag-a-add, and soon yung ibang coaches naman yung mag-a-add ng mga trainings doon. So yan yung isang goal namin na ma-achieve sa community. So expect for more training.
Thank you. And guys, you heard it right. So we have a lot of niches under the School of Prophets. So kung ano man yung mga sa tingin nyo na magiging fit sa personality nyo, pwede kayo magkaroon ng choices. And aside from that, they're adding more courses in a long run.